Hello everyone, welcome to today's movie. In today's movie we're going to take a short time series and we're going to calculate using Excel a moving average. So if we go to the Excel solution and you see we've got a short series of data here. Time point 1, the series value was 150, time point 2 it was 250, time point 10 it was 450. Now what we want to do is if for example we plot this onto a line graph, and let's choose the first option there, so we can see how the series changes with time. Now we can sort the titles out later on, so that will be your main title. You can put your axis title in, which will be series value, and the horizontal axis is the time point. And you can see how the series value, the actual value, changes over time. So what we want to do is we want to smooth this out by calculating a moving average, and we're going to calculate a moving average which is a span of 3 which is not centered. So if you look at the screen you will see that I'm going to do a 3 span moving average that's not centered. So therefore the moving average value, the first value, will occur at time point 3 because it's a 3-point moving average not centered. Okay, so in that cell there we have an equation which says the average value between C4 to C6 is the 3-point moving average not centered, which is 200. So the next one would be C5, that, 2, that, divide through by 3 to give us 270. So this represents the moving average. Then if we want to use that moving average to forecast into the future, then the forecast future time point, or the model fit, would be at time point 4. So that there would represent the forecast at time point 4 using this moving average. So that value is just that. This value is just that. This value is just that, etc. So at time point 11 that doesn't exist. If we wanted to know, I wanted to use this method to predict what the series value could be at time point 11, it would be 413.3. Now we can then, if you wanted to, could plot this data set onto our graph. So if I highlight, copy, and then right click, paste. So there's my red line, and that red line represents the 3-point moving average, once not centered, forecast. Okay, so using Excel is fairly straightforward to do this. In the next movie, we'll be using SPSS to perform the same calculation. Okay, so it's bye for now.